This is a high SST Tourmaline hair dryer, which adds luster and shine to your hair by producing negative ions, which help break down water molecules and dry hair quicker than conventional dryers. The unique Tourmaline technology helps to prevent damage, eliminate frizz, dryness, and static, and the far infrared technology helps to protect your hair from heat damage. The handle has a slight rubberized grip so that you can hold it easily. The dryer is ergonomically balanced so that you can hold it on the nozzle or the handle. The dryer measures 8 1/4 inches wide to 10 inches long. The nozzle is 1 3/4 inches. The dryer has 1800 watts of power and is extremely lightweight, yet is very quiet. The dryer includes 2 speed settings, 1 and 2, and it also includes 3 heat settings, low, medium, and high. The dryer has a cool shot button located right here, and to use it you simply depress it. On the back of the dryer is a removable filter, which you open up and you can clean, lint out easily, and then you close it back up. The dryer also comes with a UL safety plug and a 1-year warranty.